cheese making. What are you doing?
Making a video of you eating grilled cheese.
Why?
I'm bored.
Okay, well my camera's not gonna die soon. We might have to plug it up. And we'll make some more crazy videos later. Why are you what?
Oh my gosh.
What?
The red of the stove looks blue.
Is it?
They're here.
Oh, well, I think my thing is burning. Don't burn!
Yeah, it is.
Don't burn! Perfect! Yeah, buddy! Sorry.
Ooh, that is perfect.
Look at me, I got some stew.
Butter and bread.
Butter and bread.
You should put it on. You should put this on YouTube. How to make grilled cheese.
Because my making grilled cheese is totally an epic thing, you know.
Well, I'm bored.
Well, I forgot my YouTube name and stuff, so probably have to make a new one.
I did too.
Hey, will you check that?
It's probably deleted mine already.
It probably deleted mine. Will you check that? Dude, come on! Let it burn on the other side a little bit more. Or not burn, but cook. It's not burning! It's not burning, I promise. Yeah. Okay,
Oh, that's freaky. Is there a red light on there?
God!
Yeah.
I'm gonna like kill myself with butter. Look at that.
Lisa's gonna have some very bad cholesterol when she grows up.
No, I won't! I'll be fine, I don't make this often. We only have 3 eggs, do you know that? It makes me upset because I was gonna make a lemon meringue today. And I can't open this cheese. Will you get that off the burner?
Give me a plate.
Well, put it on the plate that the bread is on. Jesus.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah!
Put the cheese on. Straight.
I wanted it to be straight, you know. Yeah, I cut it in pieces. Why are we? How long is this?
Like 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes already.
Oh my gosh.
3-minute video of making grilled cheese.
Dude, we should put this on Facebook. That would be great, you know?
That'd be amazing.
Buddy. Hey, there's Dr. Pepper. A large.
There's a whole case of it on the table.
Oh, I wasn't paying
It's been there all day.
I have not been paying attention. It's been there for a while, actually. I haven't been paying attention to it, honestly.
By the way, I get none of this. This is all hers.
It's only 2 sandwiches. Jeez.
I know.
Why are you Don't videotape me eating. Stop! Look at me.
Lisa has an eating problem.
I don't. Okay, that's not done. I don't know what I'm trying.
I don't know.
So, that kind of is. Not really. You guys, this bread, it's not matching.
Well, Lisa, I have the butter problem actually. Have you seen how much butter I load on toast?
Don't talk to me about butter. I put more butter on toast than you ever will in your life.
We have Pauline disorder.
No, because I'm not fat. Well, I kind of am, but I'm not mega fat, you know. I could lose it.
We have ADOB, attention deficit. Ooh, butter.
No, I do not.
I do.
Butter by itself is disgusting.
I still don't know how she eats fried butter.
Turn that off.
How do you eat fried butter?
I don't know. It just melts to me.
This is weird.
Unless you like bread it or something. I mean,
why would you bread butter?
I don't know.
How do we go from grilled cheese to butter?
Because we put butter on it. Duh.
Okay, this is a weird video of making grilled cheese. Whatever. Bye.